Exploring financial freedom and legal sovereignty. How to use bills of exchange. Discover how to settle your utility bills without cash. Learn the truth about your legal identity and rights. Find out the secrets behind community empowerment. Understand how to take back financial control from institutions. Uncover the power of affidavits in asserting your freedom. 1. Introduction to financial truths and legal rights. In today's world, understanding financial truth and legal rights is essential. Many do not realize there are better ways to handle money and resources. This report covers how to use bills of exchange, a valuable tool that can help individuals combat unjust financial demands. 2. The bills of exchange and financial freedom. Bills of exchange can be used to pay utility bills and other expenses. Many people are unaware that they have trust funds set up in their names, which can be accessed to cover these costs. When using a bill of exchange, individuals can settle payments without relying on cash, turning it into an effective method for managing expenses legally. 3. Concepts of legal sovereignty. Understanding the difference between legal entities, fictions, and living individuals is crucial. When people are registered at birth, they receive a legal identity that often does not reflect their true self. The legal fiction, at birth, a name is assigned that represents a legal identity. Recognizing this helps to reclaim individual identity outside of state control. Affidavits as tools for sovereignty. Filing an affidavit can clarify an individual's true status as a living being distinct from the legal fiction recognized by the government. This helps assert rights. Natural law and common law. This involves understanding the significance of rights that protect individuals from governmental overreach. 4. Community empowerment and action. Community solidarity is vital for reclaiming independence from government control. Establishing local councils that operate independently allows communities to take back their resources and power. Building local resilience. Communities thrive on shared support, rejecting unfair taxes, and creating a network of cooperation. Practical steps. By creating documents that reflect community values and intentions, residents can challenge existing power structures effectively. 5. Conclusion and next steps. This report reveals how tools like bills of exchange and understanding legal fiction can empower individuals to reclaim their rights. To take action, explore resources available through relevant platforms, and start engaging with others to build a movement toward financial independence and legal sovereignty. Thank you for your interest. Stay tuned for more insights into financial empowerment and legal education.